change is the only true constant. You can't keep something forever. And by allowing change to happen in your life, you get all these new adventures, new playgrounds to play in, new doors in the grand hall of Alice in Wonderland to walk through, new gardens to explore, new things to create. This is why we burn art at Burning Man, so that we have room to create again. So this must change so that something new can happen. And I'm not sad. I'm actually quite happy and excited about the possibility of what might happen back here. For 10 years, Wonderland existed in my yard. And I have no idea what's next.